Done and ready. They should be here. I'm getting ready to go to a drive-in theater. I've been going, I think, the last 3 summers. Unfortunately, this is the last summer that they're hosting it. So we're gonna go today. The movie starts at 9:45, which is pretty late. They always have to wait for it to get dark because it gets dark like super late now. The first movie that we're watching is Inside Out 2, which I'm very excited about. I've heard very good things about it. And then the second movie is The Newest Planet of the Apes, which I'm also excited about because I remember I liked their first and second movies. I don't remember how many there were, but I remember I quite liked it. And then we'll probably get some snacks there, like burgers, hot dogs, nachos, drinks, popcorn, etc. They also have mini donuts, so I'll have to see if that's something that I want. I'm gonna set up the car with mats and pillows and maybe some blankets to make it comfortable, but it is quite hot today, so we'll have to see how it is outside. But I'm gonna get ready and then we'll head out.
Is an open book I want for you to read, filled up with empathetic love and curiosity. Tell me, why do you always hide yourself away? And darling, I think you're so much more than just a pretty face. My heart is an ocean filled with endless devotion on the cliffs of emotion, baby. I think it's time you take a jump.
I've never seen it this full before. And it technically hasn't even opened yet. The screen. We got a drink, fries, nachos, my mini donuts, a hot dog.
Don't stop your crying, baby. I wanna be the one to wipe your tears. I can't stop the raindrops falling, but I can make them disappear. Stop me if I go too far, but you're the one I'm falling for. I think about you like a tied up prisoner running through an open door.
The previous one has one.
Oh, it's been a while.
Pictures of who you used to love lie on the countertop. I'm not.
The show starts in 1 minute.
ready to go to the beach with my lovely friends. I'm super excited. I'm just getting ready now. They'll be here in an hour. We're meeting at mine, and then we're going to take my car together. But we're going to the beach to try this restaurant I haven't tried before, and then we're going to get gelato and maybe waffles. So I'm very excited about dessert plans. I always forget to put sunscreen on first. So yesterday we only ended up staying for one movie because I could not do it. I thought that I would be able to watch a second movie. It started at 11:30. We watched probably like 30 minutes of it and I was like, no, I gotta go fall asleep. Because it would have been 11:30 till 3 a.m. or we would have got home at 3 a.m. and I was like, not happening. But Inside Out was really cute. I would say it's on par with the first movie. Inside Out isn't one of my favorites, but I think overall, in comparison to Inside Out, the first one, number 2 was also pretty good. Because usually the first one's always the best. But this one I felt like they were pretty similar. I'm done and ready. They should be here in about 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna clean up the stuff like the mats and the blankets and stuff like that we had yesterday. But this is the fit. It's just a very casual dress with pockets. So I want to say that I'm very proud of my eyelashes today because I've always been scared to use eyelash curlers, but this is the first time that I actually attempted and succeeded. Sometimes I would attempt and then be too scared to like clamp down. I bought the precision one because I thought it would be easier to use just working in small sections, but actually it makes it a lot scarier because you're only grabbing like a few eyelashes versus working with your entire eye. So I did get a regular eyelash curler. My friend picked it up, so I'm just going to get that from her and then I'll try that. I'm just a scaredy cat at everything. I also didn't want to get my ears pierced for the longest time because I was scared. And then I finally just did it and I love it. Even though this ear is always irritated. It's so annoying. But yeah, we'll get there. This is my makeup for the day.
Therapist, but that's no way to move along. Tell me, what is your plan for fighting liberation, babe? I wait, but I think you owe yourself an explanation. My heart is an ocean filled with complex emotion I don't have.
I was like, how did you even talk to them?
So I have 2 types of blue that I'm working with. One is a brilliant blue and the other is cobalt blue. So I think for the sky, I'm thinking darker so that the clouds pop. So I'm going to do like a darker sky and then light clouds.
The raindrops falling, but I can make them disappear. Oh, stop me if I go too far, but you're the one I'm falling for. Think about it like a tied up prisoner running through an open door. Oh, do-do-do-do-do-do.
So as I'm painting this very streaky blue background, I actually forgot how to paint backgrounds because now I'm looking at my other ones and they look not as streaky, and I don't know how I was able to do that. But as I'm painting this streaky background, I'm just thinking about that one picture, or sorry, that one painting that I always see on social media. And it's of this like red, I can't remember if it's red or blue, but it's this red or blue painting, and that's just what it is. It's like one solid color, and apparently it's like a new shade of red or a new shade of blue that was invented. And the painting is streakless. Like, you cannot find any streaks on the canvas at all, and that's why it's so famous. But also it's famous because people who go see the painting don't understand like why it's famous and why it's worth a lot of money. But now I get it now, because I'm gonna show you mine later and it's not good, but it's okay. It's a learning progress. Yeah, I just don't get how it can be streakless. Maybe I need a bigger brush. My brush is kind of tiny for the canvas, but this is my only big brush that I have. So you can see I messed up here, and then I got the technique down on this side. So I outlined the cloud. That's where the cloud is gonna be. But so far this is the sky. It looks a lot darker in person. It looks kind of bright on here, but I'm very excited. I'm very excited now to do the cloud. That's the part that I'm most excited about. So I'm gonna go in with the white mixed with a bit of blue first to kind of get the foundation down and go from there.
Running through an open door.
This technique I'm using is really making me notice the jiggle in my arm. Don't like it. So I don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest. I mean, I watched some videos and they were like, you have to outline the cloud first and then make the edges fluffy, and they have to give a sense of like that it's floating. So I'm using a dabbing method to try and make it look fluffy, but we'll see. You can see my arm fat jiggling. I'm getting super hungry now. It's already 9 p.m. so I'm going to make myself a quick dinner. I don't want anything too heavy, so I'm just gonna do a Napa cabbage shrimp, I don't even know what you call it, like stew, but not really a stew. Anyways, you'll see. I know I keep changing. It's because I didn't want paint to get on my sofa, because that's my painting outfit. Or not outfit, like painting dress that I designated. Okay, so now I'm gonna have dinner. And I know this dish looks bland, but trust me when I say this broth is super delicious. It's like super flavorful. I cooked it with chicken and onion the other day, like a udon. And it was so good. Like restaurant quality. So now I'm trying it with this recipe. I'm not like super hungry, so I didn't add noodles, but could do that too, maybe next time. So I just have Napa cabbage and shrimp. Not so hot. Oh my god, it's spicy. I think I added too much white pepper. But it makes the base so good. It's like truly the magic. The secret recipe of this soup base is the white pepper.
Return your legs to tabletop. Inhale, roll yourself up to teaser using the strength of your abs. Then exhale.